So it's a pretty well-known fact that the universe has a speed limit, this of course being the speed of light. Now humans don't have to worry about hitting this speed anytime soon, seeing as how it is 186,000 miles per second. You think that this being the speed limit wouldn't really be an issue because of how fast it is. But you would be wrong. The universe is massive. For example, the nearest galaxy to us, Andromeda Galaxy, is 2.4 million light years away, which, if we were traveling at the speed of light, would take us 2.4 million years to get there. Naturally, humans haven't accepted this fact and want to figure out ways to go faster, so here are a few theories we've come up with. So one of the most popular faster than light ways of travel that we've theorized and came up with is warp drives. Now you've probably heard about these in the movies, and I wonder what they actually are. On paper, warp drives are actually pretty simple in how they work. Picture a machine that creates a warp field around a spaceship. The warp field being kind of like a big bubble around the spaceship. This bubble distorts the space-time around the ship, making the distance from you and your destination shorter, literally. It is complicated, but I try to explain it in the simplest way I could. Basically, all you're doing is distorting the space-time around you, making the distance from you and your destination shorter by making it shorter with the warp drive. As cool as this technology is, we probably won't be seeing it anytime soon, seeing as how it requires an incredible amount of power and matter. It would require antimatter to make the bubble around the ship, but that's kind of an issue. Today we can actually create antimatter, but it's 65 trillion US dollars per gram. Antimatter is also incredibly hard to store because if it touches any normal matter, it will explode. Now, the second option of traveling faster than light is wormholes. Wormholes are likely yet another thing you've heard about in movies, and here are what they actually are. According to Einstein's famous theory of relativity, wormholes are actually possible, but as of 2021, we have not found any. Wormholes, also called Einstein-Rosen bridges, work by curving space-time to create a sort of bridge between two points in space or time. Now, the concept of wormholes is once again very confusing, but I'm going to do my best to explain it. So here we got two planets a couple million light years away from each other, right? Normally it would take a couple million light years to get from one planet to another, but if there was a wormhole connecting the two, it would be sort of like a bridge or a portal between the two. Now, we wouldn't see this curve in action, but this is kind of how it would look. As you can see, the wormhole makes a sort of portal in 2 points of space or time. But even though wormholes are possible, there is a lot of ifs when it comes to them, because you could die when you go into it and you can't really control where they are, or you could, but we don't know. So hopefully they work out, but they might not. Hopefully one day humanity achieves faster than light travel, whether that be through wormholes, warp drives, or some other technology we haven't discovered yet. But in the current times, all we can do is hope for the best and try not to make ourselves go extinct. Anyways, thank you for watching. I would pop up some analytics saying only half of you are subscribed, but I don't even have enough subscribers to do that yet, so, you know.